Children, now this is the topic mole concept. Do you know the definition of mole? A mole represents a collection of 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23 chemical units. Like a dozen, dozen contains how many number of units? 12. So the mole is also a cumulative representation of collection of Avogadro's number of chemical units. Means 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23. This is the Avogadro's number. So mole concept is discussed by the definition of mole at very first, and the definition of mole is representation of, means especially the collection of 6.02 to 10 raised to power 23 chemical units. Means the collection of how many units? Avogadro's number of units is called a mole. Correct? The mass of 1 mole of substance in grams is called its molar mass. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of substance in grams. So go through this discussion, and then let the second topic, that is molar volume. Children, the volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance is called its molar volume. It denoted by capital V small m, Vm. Molar volume denoted by Vm means molar volume is the volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance, and this is denoted by capital V small m. Now, children, 1 mole of all gaseous substances. This is a special point regarding molar volume. 1 mole of all gaseous substances at 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure occupies a volume equal to 22.4 liter. How many volume occupied by every gaseous substance at the temperature 273 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere? That is 22.4 liter. And this 22.4 liter may be considered 22,400 ml. It is okay. Means molar volume is defined as the volume occupied by 1 mole of any substance. It is okay, and denoted by capital Vm. And all the gaseous substances at the temperature 273 and 1 atmospheric pressure occupies a volume that is equal to 22.4 liter. Means at the temperature 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure, 17 gram of ammonia will occupy the same volume, 22.4 liter. 44 gram of carbon dioxide will also occupy the same volume, and 2 gram of hydrogen will also occupy the same volume. Means this is molar volume. It is okay. So going through the discussion of mole concept, I have defined the mole. And do you know the mole? Means this is basically the collection of Avogadro's number of chemical units, and molar volume. Let me have to move to the next, and that is third topic, percentage composition. This is important. Numericals we will be doing in this topic. So at very first, the definition and concept we have to discuss among you. Children, the mass percentage of each constituent element present in any compound is called its composition, percentage composition. Very simple. Mass percentage of the element is equals to mass of the element in molecules into 100 upon molecular mass of compound. One example I am sharing among you, children. This is calcium carbonate. This is limestone, so consider it the calcium carbonate. How many constituent elements are there? Calcium, carbon and oxygen. 1 atom of calcium, 1 atom of carbon, 3 atoms of oxygen. It is okay. So the molar mass will be, means the sum of their atomic masses, means 40 for calcium, 12 for carbon, and 16 into 3 for oxygen. Overall it goes to 40 plus 12 plus 48 means 100 unified mass, and when this is in grams then it is called gram molecular mass, means 100 gram is considered to 100 gram molecular mass of calcium carbonate. So taking this iron molecular mass of compound, we have to go through the calculation of mass percentage of calcium, carbon and oxygen. Apply the formula. Mass percentage of calcium is equals to mass of element, means 40 gram divided by 100 gram, this is the molecular mass, and multiplied by 100. So this 100 will be cancelled out with this 100, ultimately your answer will be a 40%. It is okay. In the same process, apply for the calculation of percentage. Mass percentage of carbon, 12 by 100 into 100, 100 cancel out, goes up to 12%. And oxygen, 48 by 100 into 100, and that is 48. So this is the simplest example to explain percentage composition, and already you have been gone through the discussion and definition of mole concept and molar volume. It is okay. So in molar volume, this is pinpoint which you have to remember all the time. 1 mole of all gaseous substances at 273 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere passes how many liters? 22.4 liter volume, or maybe consider 22,400 ml. And what is the unit of molar volume? Liter per mole. Children, this discussion is enough for today. In next topic we will go through the next discussion. Thank you. Have a nice day.